Your Excellency, Northerners are watching you now, and in the next few days, they will hear or they will see you. Please tell the Northerner why, out of all the presidential candidates, they should trust you and not anybody else with their votes and their trust, and why you are the best candidate that can lead the North and Nigeria through changes. Please, talk to the Northerner directly.
Well, Malam Northerner. Oh, Madam Northerner. I have been in politics now for 3 decades. Alaji Ayakwande Sarkin Kwande, or Professor Ango. 35. And I have traversed the whole of this country. I know the whole of this country. I have built bridges across this country. I think what the average Northerner needs is somebody who is from the north and who also understands the other parts of Nigeria and who has been able to build bridges across the rest of the country. This is what the Northerner needs. He doesn't need a Yoruba candidate or an Igbo candidate. This is what the Northerner needs. So I believe I stand before you as a pan-Nigerian of Northern origin. Thank you very much.